Now, those fun folks at the Internal Revenue Service has designated this weekend as the Earned Income Tax Credit Observation. To find out about these festivities, we join Kimberly Craft now with local tax guru Tom Broderick.
Welcome, Tom Broderick. It's good to see you.
Glad to be here.
We're talking today about the Earned Income Tax Credit, and as we know and we are celebrating, it is designated Earned Income Tax Credit Weekend. Tell me briefly what it is.
The Earned Income Tax Credit is a credit that you can receive if you are if your income is under $52,000 per year, and if generally it's the most generous if you have children, but single people can get small credits as well.
So who is eligible? You mentioned that it's best, most profitable if you have children, but who is eligible?
It's essentially an income basis. You have to have earned income, and it has to be under $52,000. It varies. The credit varies quite a bit between 0 and $52,000, but you do have to have earned income to qualify for it. And the credits are largest, as I said earlier, for families with children.
And what does that mean? Like how big? What kind of numbers are you talking about? If there's that threshold of $52,000. Yeah,
the maximum number for 3 children or more is over $6,000. So it's quite a bit of money. For one child, for example, it's $3,250 is the maximum number. The actual number depends on your filing status, where you are in the income range, and how many children you have.
Now, I understand these credits may be used to offset the tax you owe, but you also may be refunded those dollars.
That's right. They're called refundable credits because they can offset your tax liability, but if there's excess left over, the IRS will send you a check for whatever is left, whatever the excess is.
Well, I understand it's also very complicated. People are reluctant to claim this credit. What kind of recommendation would you give to them? What are the next steps?
The key, the Earned Income Tax Credit, because it is fairly generous, it does have a lot of requirements with it. And so you need to understand it or be working with somebody who understands it. And it is quite easy to get confused because there are some complicated requirements involved with claiming it.
Well, we will post all of this information at our website so that people can understand a little bit about what those requirements are and what's involved. But if they are looking for someone to help them, where would you steer them?
Well, I represent Northland Free Tax Assistance, and we are a free tax preparation site partnering with the IRS. And we use software and train volunteers, and that'd be a great place to get all of your taxes done, but particularly if you think you would qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit.
And we will talk about that the next time we see you. Thanks,
Great.
Tom.
All right, thanks for having me.
You may qualify for free tax preparation from the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. The site opens tomorrow at the Family Resource Center in Flagstaff. VITA volunteers will be there to help every Saturday from 9 to 3 until filing day. For more information, again, you can visit our website, and that's naztoday.com.